almost 7 o'clock Friday morning. That was where the meat sat marinating all night long. Let's go take a look. Up to temp. We'll check back in a little bit. Ready? You filming? There we go. Back for the 10 o'clocker. Oh yeah, it's ripping through them pretty good, huh? Filling up the hopper. We'll check the meat.
Okay.
Looking good. Another hour and she should be ready for wrapping.
Good.
164.
You never let me go around. That's the awkward angle where the lift is going at me.
And a wrap.
With your helpers. Trying to show your helpers.
Okay, There's my helpers. Here we go. Very hot. See you in a couple hours. Oh yeah, look, right on 202. Remember what I said it had to
Yep,
be?
yep. Here. There's a on the stove you can put it. I'll come back and close it.
Here it comes. On the stove. Okay. After 9, almost 10 hours of cooking. Ooh, grease is pouring out. Look at that. Don't steam the camera. And we're going to pour all that delicious juice into a fat separator.
Do you need my assistance?
I do. Put the
Ow.
camera down.
I was gonna put it over here.
Nope, put the camera away. We don't need to film this part.
Why not?
Okay.
But I don't know what you need me to do. You're
I don't know. I'm going to pour into here, right?
Mm-hmm. You just hold the meat with one hand and let it come down. Let it. Not much. It's because they didn't have much fat on it. Remember, they trimmed it so well.
All right. Can I set it here or no?
Yeah.
It's hot. Move that foil. I'll put it on the glass.
Here.
That's it, huh?
That's it.
That ain't much.
Hello, I'm Veronica.
It's now Saturday morning, 9:40 a.m. and we've already got all the jalapenos stuffed and wrapped with bacon and waiting to head outside to get them on the smoker soon.
I got to keep my number.
There's the helper dog.
Call 1-800-588-3604.
And here they are, ready to go. And they're set for 275. Close them up. Little Rectech. And it is about 9:40 still. Here we go. We're getting there.
What do you want to do? It's gonna work. If your shirt's gonna get in the way. This is Pyrex. You could actually put it right here.
See what I'm doing here? Trying to fix that one.
Well, never mind.
I don't know who did the bacon wrap. Wrap coming unwrapped here.
Bigger peppers. Move it out.
I hear you.
They're bigger peppers, so it didn't reach all the way around from one bottom
Oh.
ends to the other end from one bottom.
Gotcha. How that look? Some peppers all done.
Oh, this is where the,
Still gonna ice the little cupcakes. And more pepper.